1. Keep it interesting to get her interested. Being hot can only take you so far. Our brains are hungry snakes that need to be fed a zillion times more than super hungry toddlers. And New York Times best-selling author and developmental molecular biologist, John Medina, has proven that since the brain has no tolerance for a delay in serving it its yum platter, read, short attention spans, we like to receive our entertainment nuggets ever so often. So, if you are an intriguing, interesting, and engaging person, bring your A game out. You don't have to fit in that stall. Just interest her enough so you go home with a number, or maybe more. 2. The first 30 seconds are all the ticks you have to make her tick. Rutgers University anthropologist Helen Fisher studied hundreds of couples in love and found that the human body knows within the first 30 seconds of meeting someone if they are going to be attracted to the person. Seems like a super short time to let that judge in your head mete out its incredibly accurate judgment? Well, that's all you got. So skip those social niceties, does not mean come on too strong, and go for the science. Time's ticking fast and you got to make a dapper impression in 30 seconds. That's right. 3. Your body speaks too. Learn its language. Science proves that an open body language works more wonders than physical attractiveness, sexy outfits, hot dance moves, and of course, pick-up lines. Body language is a strong tool to show availability and increase your attractiveness in interactions. Body language research has shown that keeping your torso, chest, and abdomen open to the world is the best way to show availability. Crossed arms, clutching a wine glass in front of your stomach, checking a phone in front of your chest, or hugging a purse to your center are all ways we close our body language and seem unavailable. Studies have shown that we actually close our body language when we are feeling mentally closed off. Studies have also shown that when we can't see people's hands we have trouble trusting them. When you put your hands in your pockets, tuck them under the table or hide them behind a coat, your attractiveness decreases because people can't open up to you. And did I mention, an open, exposed or stroked neck not only is a potent nominal of sensuality but also releases tantalizing pheromones. Boom attraction nectar. 4. There is a power in red and tea. No kidding. For ages, people have found that the color red works magic when practicing the art of seduction. There's a reason. According to the Journal of Experimental Psychology, donning red is seen as a sign of power and authority, therefore making you appear more attractive. Similarly, in an unusual study by researchers at Nottingham Trent University, it was found that when men wore white t-shirts with a large black letter T printed on the front, women found them 12% more attractive. The scientists suggested that the shirt creates an illusion that broadens the shoulders and slims the waist, producing a more V-shaped body that women found sexy. Bizarre? Well, ain't too tough to try this tea thing? 5. The brooding boy gets an A. Study from the University of British Columbia relates brooding, swaggering appearances to attractiveness in a man. However, researchers mentioned that the study indicated gut reactions for carnal attraction only. The study also showed that women found men who smile too much goofy, less dominant and powerful, and consequently, less attractive. 6. Sweating can help your score. Yep, you read that right. A chemical in sweat called androstenedione can actually be a turn-on for women, so next time you run for the tube, don't be so embarrassed when you show up to work a little flustered. Who knows, the hottie at the corner might corner you at the canteen. Simple science, sir, simple science. 7. Those teeth need to be pearly white. A study, from researchers at the British Universities of Leeds and Central Lancashire, found that teeth are the human equivalent of a peacock's tail, according to the Daily Mail. They are a sign of health and good genetics, thereby being a good parameter in mate selection. The study confirms that white and evenly spaced teeth make people seem more attractive. Need to give your dentist a call? Thought so. 8. Playing hard to get works. A study in psychological science showed that women found a man more attractive when she wasn't sure how strongly he felt about her, as opposed to when she was certain he was very interested in her. The study evinced that neediness made women dwell on the subject of the guy's evident interest in her less, while women thought more about a man when she was uncertain if he really liked her or not. Then, she would conclude she liked him since she couldn't get this guy out of her head. Overall, the study suggested that if men hold back some of their feelings at the very beginning and create some mystery, he'll be more likely to hook a member of the opposite sex, and that's how to make any girl want you. Science, you have now proved a cliché. GGGRRRR. 9. Squeeze out the stress. A study published in Proceedings of the Royal Society B Journal found that women find relaxed and stress-free men more attractive than their nervous, stressed counterparts. As such, ousting the stressed rivals is no big deal. Low stress levels, says the study, are a potent indicator of competency and strong genetic makeup. thereby making these men more desirable as mates. So, men, you know what to do: kick the worries to the curb and turn the fun meter up. And that's how to get any girl you want and make her want you in turn. That's all the science for today. We're always interested in knowing if these scientific tricks on how to get any girl you want actually worked or not. Tell us in the comments below.